Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, March 3rd. So what's going on? So we've got some US news coming in at 9:45, but I want to take a second and look at the European numbers that came out this morning. PMI numbers, which is Purchasing Managers Index for Spain, Italy, France, Germany, and overall for the Eurozone. And they are mixed. Okay, so we have some decline in Spain, increase in Italy, about the same in France, little increase in Germany, and overall, just a slight increase in Europe as all. But here's what I want to look at. So while this is relatively good, the core CPI, Consumer Price Index, was up. Both of those numbers are positive. So inflation is not going anywhere, especially in Europe. So there you have it. So yeah, it's a worldwide phenomenon, and it's continuing. It's increasing. Anyway, 9:45 final manufacturing PMI for the U.S. 10 o'clock ISM manufacturing, a red item. It'll move the market. ISM manufacturing prices and construction spending all at 10 a.m. After 10 a.m., sometime there'll be the Ward's total vehicle sales. And tentatively after that, we have President Trump speaking. So there you have the major news of the day. Okay, moving on. Looking to the big sell-off on Thursday with a big recovery on Friday, and now we are up in pre-market activity. Where could we go? I think we could go back up to the moving average, which is about 6,034. On the downside, I think we could easily retrace Friday's gains and come back down to the 200-day moving average at 58, 55-ish area. Heavy volume on Friday. We'll talk a little bit more about the Friday action here in a second. Looking forward to the inventory. Inventory was aggressively positive on an aggressively positive day. Now, here's the key that I'm looking at. We rallied big in the last 2 hours of trade. This is after 6 days of being down and being down all day long except until. This is a definition of a dead cat bounce, in my opinion. This is complete and utter BS. And it's just the market was so oversold, it didn't have anywhere else to go but to retrace back up to the upside. I think this is completely garbage. That being said, what do I know? It would not surprise me to see this, quote, dead cat bounce not go anywhere today, but we'll just have to wait and see. Heavy volume on this, on the rebound. We'll see if it has any legs. Yeah, that's it. There was just no good news to drive this market at all. In fact, if there was anything, there was a ton of negative news. So the fact that it bounced at the very end of the day, to me, says it's an oversold situation versus a things are great now, let's go up. All right, there you go. There's my sarcasm. All right, overnight action was approximately 53 points. That's well above average for volatility. Where are support and resistance? Resistance is at 60.16, 60.40, and 60.71. Support, we've got some support right around the whole number of 59.50, 59.47-ish area. Below that, 59.20. Of course, 5,900 is a big area. We break below that, 58.71-ish. There's your support and resistance. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 61.9. So a positive bias from the historics, from the historical perspective, 61.9. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.